Hi, I'm Karen Wilkins from KarenWilkins.com, where we show entrepreneurs just like yourself how to be successful online or off using simple tips, techniques, and strategies. Now, all week long, we've been discussing the five essential elements of a successful business. And if you've been keeping up and following along, you know that the number one element is traffic. Traffic is so very important that without it, you really don't have a business. Now, a lot of people think they have to develop their skill sets in order to generate traffic. And although that is true to some extent, that is not necessarily so. Yes, skill sets is going to be developed in time, but in the beginning, you're still going to need traffic. There is one way to override that rule, and that's by getting massive numbers of people, traffic, eyeballs, whatever you call it, coming into your store, driving by your websites or your blog posts or your products and services, and being able to take a look at it. So, the one thing that you have to understand, whether you have skill sets or not, is you have to understand numbers. Numbers is what's going to drive this whole vehicle where you want it to go. You have to understand the law of large numbers, and you have to understand the 80-20 rule. So here it goes. The 80-20 rule says you're only going to get 20% of whatever you do. And the law of large numbers says you have to speak to large numbers of people just to get a few. When you put those two together, it pretty much looks like this. If you speak to 100 people on a daily basis, only 20% of them will even stop and pay attention to you. That's 20 people. Out of those 20, only 4 will actually come in and take a look at what you have or what you're offering. Out of those 4, only 20% will make a decision in your favor, or only 20% will purchase from you. 20% of 4 is less than 1. So it's looking kind of bleak for just 100 people. That's a lot of people if you're talking to them on a one-on-one basis. But you have to find a way to actually go out there and speak to a mass number of people at one time. And I figured it out. I actually developed a formula whereby you can actually do that. Now, if you want to know what it is that I've done, then go ahead and click on the link that I've left below or above the video. I'm not certain where it's at, but click on the link. It's a simple technique. It's a simple formula, but it will help you reach mass number of people at one time to take a look at your products or services and drive traffic to your website, to your blog, to your products and services. Wherever you need to drive them, you will be able to do it with this formula. Well, I hope this has been of value to you. I'll see you back here in the next video, same time, same place. But until then, stay safe. Bye for now.